a quick overview of this Glarks 24-piece. Basically, they're butterfly bolts or wing bolts that you would use on a if you were hanging a cabinet and there was no stud in the wall. Basically, what you do is you drill a hole in the drywall, and this collapses, obviously, goes into the hole and then opens up in the back of the drywall. And then when you tighten this down, it basically gives a little bit more support than just putting a screw through the drywall. These actually work pretty good for cabinets because I'm doing a bathroom cabinet, so I ordered this up. 16 bucks. I say it's worth it. I mean, you get quite a bit in there. Even some really huge ones there that I've never seen. That's kind of cool. Anyway, let's quickly open it up and show you the contents. I've seen this before where they put their sticker inside the case to show who was the one assembling it and the person who did the inspection on it. Yep, they're not bad. I mean, they're made to work once. You know what I mean? Pretty smooth. So like when you slip them in, like that. So that's cool. Anyway, for 16 bucks, you get quite a bit here, and if you have a place or home, you just throw this down in the basement whenever you need it. Take it easy, guys.